好似啟德體育園咁嘅項目咁嘅複雜嘅程度咧，其實一體制係必須要嘅，因為所有項目如果喺前期冇考慮到每個專業、每個功能嘅要求咧，可能去到後期咧係更加係製造好多難度。因為其實所有項目喺前期嗰個配合，大家預先去了解每樣要求功能，提高嗰個價值係最高嘅。到後期需要去修改去調整咧，係非常之難嘅，亦都可能咧係導致呢個費用會增加鋪口造價或者施工難度等等。所以喺一體設計呢個概念就係話喺早期，大家不同嘅專業對佢嘅需求對要求都有個可以話平等嘅一個地位去提出，咁然後大家揾一個解決方案，一個綜合嘅解決方案。
體育園最開初有4個目的嘅，第一個目的就係製造一個地標式嘅設計啦，東方之珠啦。第二個就係體育園需要提供俾觀眾一個世界級全天候嘅體驗啦。第三個目標就係大約5年之內完成啦。第4個目標就係需要係一個綠色同埋可持續嘅設計，需要有賴各個團隊啦，包括文化體育旅遊局啦、啟德體育園公司啦、協興建築公司啦、建築師啦，同埋奧雅納綜合設計團隊嘅一體合作，先至可以喺6年之內完成嘅。
咁其實本身一個5萬人嘅看台咧，係一個好複雜嘅結構嚟嘅，即係無論幾何上啦，或者係結構設計上面嘅。咁喺呢方面咧，其實我哋團隊一開始咧已經係好注重要用到呢個信息模擬技術嘅。咁我哋一開始好早咧，其實已經可以考慮到建築設計嘅要求啦。咁就反映咗喺嗰個看台嗰個形狀上面嘅。咁呢個形狀嘅特徵咧，就係個人咧係好近個場地嘅，咁就可以最能夠感受到真正嗰個比賽嘅氣氛。我哋用咗呢個模擬技術咧，咁我哋就可以好好咁樣去同其他嘅顧問啦，同埋一啲屋宇設備咧去合作。觀眾席咧本身就係一個喺座位下面嘅一個供冷系統嚟嘅。呢個供冷系統咧就可以好節能嘅，但係我要達至呢個目標咧，其實就好需要喺個看台嗰度咧係有5萬個嘅開窿嘅。咁我要達至呢樣嘢咧，其實就好靠呢個高科技，確保到一個準確嘅一個施工，同埋一個準確嘅設計。
We worked very closely with Hiping, the main contractor, and their steel fabricator subcontractor, to actually derive what we call the H-lift process, whereby within a single day, the 6,200 tons of major steel trusses were lifted within a 10-hour period. The delivery of the steelwork for this roof would not have been possible without what we call the design for constructability, and also the utilization of digital and open BIM approach that we had adopted. The process actually meant that we were working in a true collaborative environment through the use of digital models, exchanging information in a way that is seamless and real-time almost, to achieve the level of accuracy that was needed. And also it was great to see the moving roof being operated in a smooth and successful manner when it did happen. I think all credits to the entire team to make that happen.
咁我覺得呢個係一個好嚴謹嘅過程，從而我最後就係達到大家所見到我呢個主場館，甚至我呢個啟德體育園就得出嚟起好啦。大家對於嗰個基建啦，對於個設計啦，其實口碑咧都係好好嘅。咁呢個都係好令人感到好滿足嘅。